In this video, we're going to learn how to add a solid background color layer using color matte, which means creating a plain colored clip that you can use as a background in your video. This is very useful when you want to add text over a clean background, create title screens, or design simple layouts. Let's start. Go to the project panel. At the bottom of the project panel, click on the new item icon. From the list, select color matte. A settings window will appear showing the video settings like resolution and frame rate. In most cases, you can leave these as default because they automatically match your current sequence. Click OK. Now, a color picker window will open. Choose any color you want for your background and click OK again. Your new color matte will now appear in the project panel. Drag the color matte onto your timeline and place it on a video track, usually V1. You can trim the length of the color matte just like any other clip by dragging its edges. If you want to place text over it, simply add your text on a higher video track like V2. That's it. You now know how to add a solid background color using color matte in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.